Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Julie and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet." Hi Julie. I am contacting you because I've been looking for a unique bridal bouquet with rose gold. I'm getting married soon and our colors are ivory, rose gold, and black. I have attached a picture I am absolutely in love with. I tried replicating it, but have failed. I need help, please. Well, Julie, no worries. We are here to help you recreate this beautiful bridal bouquet on a budget. Well, guys, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Budget-Friendly Fall Rose Bridal Bouquet. All right, guys, let's get to it. So I have this new idea of creating the foam cone for our bridal bouquet, and normally you would put a dry foam inside of the bouquet holder to put live flowers in once you soak the sponge, but we're going to do that same idea but use styrofoam cone, and I'm really excited so you can see just how it turns out. So you're just going to simply trim down your cone until you can secure the lid on it. It just has some little hooks on there. It's super easy. Once you're happy with the size of your cone, go ahead and add a little hot glue to it just to make a super secure hold. As always, once you're satisfied with your placement, go ahead and add a little dab of hot glue at the end of the stem just for that extra security. You're really going to prepare your dried flowers as well as your artificial flowers the same way you would with live flowers. You're going to trim any excess stems and or plastic off of the ends, so it gives you at least an inch to an inch and a half of stem to work with in your placement. I just want to show you again how we're going to go ahead and prep the blackberry stems for placement in our bouquet. I'm first removing the artificial leaves from the stem itself, and then I'm going to go back and trim off the plastic adherers where the leaves were attached to, giving me a clear at least 4 to 5 inches to work from. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut the stem down because I don't need that much and attach it to our bouquet. So normally our bouquet holder is covered by a bouquet collar, but in this case we don't have one, so I'm simply going to attach our boxwood leaf spray stems to cover up anywhere where you can still see the holder and or the phone. Well, Julie, what do you think? I hope you love it as much as we do. I think it has that fall feel as well as that beautiful kind of garden feel, country, vintage. It's so many different types of weddings you can use this beautiful budget-friendly bouquet for. I also love that it is not completely symmetric. That is one thing I try to tell all of my brides, that you don't want it to be perfectly symmetrical because sometimes it takes away from the bouquet itself. A little randomness, a little free form. There's nothing wrong with that. So just trust yourself. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you would like to leave a comment or ask a question, please do. I answer them myself. Now I will say it takes me some time, but I do get to them. If you want to continue to hang out with us, by all means do that. Let's head on over to our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, I don't know what you're waiting for, because we all could use help saving some money. Head on down to the description, click on the Rakuten link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your qualified vendors, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month. It is really that easy. Well guys, our time has come to an end, but before we go, I want to remind you that all of the links to all of the supplies for this project, as well as all of our other projects, are always in the link below this video. Just click on that little button that says show more, and you will have all of the links to all of the supplies to make this beautiful budget-friendly bridal bouquet. In addition to that, you can head on over to our website, MsPlanet.com, either by clicking over there in the corner or the link below to find more cost-saving tips and helpful hints, as well as the written and picture instructions for most of our projects. Don't forget that very soon we'll be launching the new Miss Planet site, which will have a more extensive free resource library. If you haven't signed up for that already, please do so. And we just love to be able to give you more cost-saving tips to help you create the wedding or event of your dreams. We so appreciate you hanging out with us. We do not take it lightly. We know you have so many options on YouTube, so thank you very much. And until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.